Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Taurians. Messages for Taurians, please, for the first 15 days of February. Cards are stuck. Okay, so wow, beautiful energy to start with. So we have the Hierophant, the Seven of Wands, the Hierophant, the Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Judgment, okay, the King of Wands, and the Ace of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, okay, the Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, one more, and the Magician. Okay. So Taurians, to start with the Hierophant, I think it is a relationship which is stable and committed, which has become a struggle. You are struggling to keep it alive, sort of. You have to defend it. It's like as if you're trying to defend this relationship or this marriage or this commitment, which is really causing a lot of heartache and a lot of agony. Okay, so either you are struggling to maintain it or you are struggling to get out of it. Somehow, I don't know, I felt that vibe that you're struggling in a connection basically, which is causing a lot of heartache. So it is either the struggle to stay inside or to move out. And somehow what I feel is it is deep within, it is a desire to come out. That's what I'm getting. It is a desire which is, it's really becoming a struggle for you to stay within this connection, and somehow you want to come out of it, and it is becoming a struggle. It is causing a lot of heartache for you, and maybe it's not that easy for you to come out of it. It can be that also, because it is a long-term relationship, definitely. Okay, and anyway, if you are struggling to stay in or come out, whatever it is, definitely you are at that junction when perhaps you either don't know that you should be there or you should come out of it. It can be as simple as that also, but definitely this connection has become a struggle for you, and it's causing you a lot of heartache and agony. And with the Judgment being here, with the King of Wands and the Ace of Wands, so what I feel here is this is a decision which is being made for a new beginning. Yes, this is definitely since it is a struggle which is getting it's really getting tough, to the extent that here a major decision needs to be made, and this decision is for something which this is a decision in which you really want a new beginning for yourself. I don't know, you are making this decision or the other person actually, because with the King of Wands, somehow what I am getting is the energy of the other person. So somebody here, maybe you, I don't know, maybe you, maybe the other person, somebody here wants a new beginning. It can be you because you are struggling. It can be the other person because they are making you struggle. So maybe they want a new beginning with someone. I don't know. But yes, there is somebody who is in a position to take a decision. That's what I'm saying. It can be you, yourself, or your inner psyche. But definitely somebody is taking a major decision because they want a new beginning. Okay, and here we have the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. So definitely somebody is being indecisive over here with the Two of Pentacles. Okay. So what I feel here is somebody wants a new chance and they have made a decision, and the other person is still being indecisive and still contemplating as to what to do, what not to do. But that is what I said. I'm picking up the energy of the other person here. So this is a decision time for this relationship perhaps. Whosoever is taking the decision, it is a decision time for a new beginning. And what I feel is the other person, not the person who is suffering. It is the other person who is taking a decision, a firm decision, and in some extent it is some sort of a one-way decision. Okay, so this is the person who is very confident, and to see me seems to be the person who is dominating this relationship or has an upper hand in this relationship. That person wants a new beginning, and that person is making a decision here, and the other person who is the sort of submissive one, that's what I feel, is really not able to understand as to what to do, what not to do, and here is just contemplating and thinking as to what else is left sort of in this life. But ultimately this person has to move. That's what I'm getting. So this relationship has become a struggle. Definitely it can be a third party with the Three of Swords being there. It can be a love triangle for some of you, not necessarily for all of you, but yes, somebody wants a new beginning, and that is a decision perhaps they have given you. Because with the King of Wands, what I am getting here is that somebody is giving a one-sided decision. Okay, this is what I want, and you do whatever you want with your life. And here with the Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles is the other person who is thinking as to what should be done. This person is indecisive, doesn't know what to do, or perhaps it's not easy for the other person to leave this connection. Can be that also. But then there is no other way, and the other person has to, you or them, whosoever it is, with the Six of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. It is a lot of anxiety, lot of sleepless nights, or I should say it is a byproduct of leaving also, because I don't feel the other person is easily able to leave this relationship. Okay, so perhaps this is the person who is on the submissive or has the lower hand in this relationship. So the other person who is not being dominant in this relationship, this person is having a tough time moving away from this relationship, but anyway they are doing it. Okay, they are choosing peace over the tension and the struggle, whatever is going on. And with the Knight of Pentacles and the Magician being there, what I feel is once this person moves away, whosoever has to move away, is able to again gain control of their life. With the Knight of Pentacles, they are able to stabilize themselves and slowly and steadily move ahead towards this new beginning with the Magician. That's what I'm feeling. The other person is ultimately, no matter how hard the times are, no matter how much anxiety and tension is there, but definitely and surely the other person is able to gain the control of your life. I think it's you though, Taurans, but definitely a new beginning is coming in. You will be able to manifest a new life, and you will be able to have the resources and have the direction as to which way to go. Let's see what is the message from this deck. We have the Three of Clubs over here, and this is a victory. This is a victory. This is, I should say, rejoicing and happiness, and we have the Sun at the horizon. So what I feel here is it is victory. Ultimately you will be able to gain control over your life. The other person who is suffering right now will not be suffering for long. This person will find their own way. Let's see what's the guidance from the angels. Seeing clearly. Number 12 may be of some significance for you. It's time to view things from a different perspective. You have a blessed gift to see the past and the current situation and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry. The pause in the momentum while you rethink your plans won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So that is the message for you, Taurians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.